Morning, morning. Moi, Wouter kan pegang al pak. Iedereen voor me.
Doe bro, jutro. Doe. En een halve voet.
Ja, dat heb ik koffie. Hij weet keer koffie dan. Wat? Kom maar mee.
Eh, umay na already for the coffee kung uli. Sabi.
Wala ko yung wala kasi koffie. Hi, good morning.
Morning, morning.
Oh man.
Uli ayan me na fight.
Ja. Hey, jij mee koppel.
How the man close the garage door.
These guys have all like maintenance reserve funds.
So we were in the...
My sister called and said, "Oh, Dad's talking to the police right now. House got broken into." Like, what the? Because the dogs were home. When we leave and it's only.
in there for that time we went to Paris. But I guess we'll maka gaka, you know that when shot fall it's only her dad, so.
When we're home, the lights are always on.
And you can hear the dogs, so.
Can you hear my sunglasses? At least they're all home. Dogs are home. No one's gonna break in this
Where's
time.
your sunglasses? Oh, your purse?
Yeah, my sunglasses.
They made my email a lot.
Yeah. No, I'm enjoying this.
Mooi.
Still sleepy.
So what if we go to do a safari? Let's go. Yeah, celebrity. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're like.
There is like a restaurant all the way up. Oh, it's just us?
Hi.
Oh, yeah, that's me.
That's you. All right. Hi. How are you guys? Welcome.
Morning.
Welcome to Dubrovnik.
Ready?
I'm Jure. I'll be your guide.
Jure.
Jure is my name.
Okay.
Jure.
Jure.
Actually, my full name Jure is short.
Okay. But how do you say your full name?
Jurica is actually my full name.
Jurica.
Jurica and Jure is my.
Jure.
That's then you are recording me. Okay. Hello. So welcome to Dubrovnik. This is your first time in Croatia.
Yes, it is.
First time, yes.
First time. Okay. So you know a little bit about Croatia, I assume a little bit about the focus of units to protect it from various people want to take over.
Physical actual dudes? Or is
This is the trail I did.
Oh, I see that.
This is the trail. And this will be the up and close with the gates were closed and drawbridge, and this below was the sea. So you couldn't really. There is over 40 small watches on the city walls, protected by soldiers. We had about 200 soldiers, so we had very little army, but they were distributed evenly throughout the chain. I would like us to go to that place and just look and if we have any. Yes. This is just the old city that you saw on the map. Right here.
Okay.
We're a small group, so I like to take advantage of this. Then they can defended themselves that way. From that point on, he is considered to be the protector of Dubrovnik, and he is actually holding Dubrovnik. Festival which takes place, on February. Really? This also was rebuilt and restored. It's bomb. From the fire on the top.
Yeah.
You can see that the building is still on fire. Little shade over there where we can stand if nobody goes faster than us.
Everything I see looks like it was in Game of Thrones.
Exactly. All kind of.
Did you guys see a uptick in tourism after Game of Thrones?
Yes.
Yeah.
And a lot of people come here just because of the Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
All right. Very good spot.
Yeah, I'm glad I brought.
Yeah.
But it's not, I mean, hundreds of people going.
Yeah, I can see.
They were just,
It just happens to be right in front of her.
Large council and small council. Large council was kind noble families that were actually in charge of it. They chose one rector, which was like the mayor of the city. It's very, very broad education if you go inside. If you want, we can go inside.
Yeah.
Say no people.
Oh, this is better than
Yeah. But it's now closed, you can see.
So don't get hurt right now.
You have to call 112. That's the solution. So, and the ambulance comes at the entrance to the pillar gate to Portuguese.
All one.
You want to buy one?
Yeah, receipt.
Yeah, you can buy it where the newsstand is.
I didn't see it. I was telling you. I was walking by, but I didn't see it.
Trees are.
okay.
So we will walk from this side on and you can see the cruise ship which is parked outside.
There's usually, when you Google like Dubrovnik, there's like a picture where you can see like the heart.
And that tree, around the tree, behind it is very big. So. You need
Pistachio harmony or pistachio? Normal? This one pistachio or pistachio harmony? This one, okay. So 2 scoop. Anything else?
That's it.
That's it. 14 euros.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are you paying by cash or card?
Okay, ready?
Already. Aku wallah sa kaila umaga foto. Bila mala.
Long sucker to and tall about.
the exact same map of destroying the damage that was done. You can see in front, this is what the lake. This is the harbor, like I mentioned. The chain was from that fortress all the way up to here during the Middle Ages, so it was closed during the night. You can maybe move in the shade if you want a little bit. Yeah, a lot of room. So
This is nice too.
Karlovačko.
Karlovačko.
It's better than Ožujsko.
Oh, it's better.
Karlovačko.
This one's
Oh,
better.
that's good.
Ah.
Oh, that is pretty
The
good.
funny thing is that
Filter, yeah.
cheers.
Cheers. Oh, yeah. Good catch. Yeah.
Nice save. Sorry.
Keep the Dubrovnik clean.
Vaya sin esa really.
Yeah.
It's like maybe a little too windy here. But it feels good. Because kanya ay kinako, ifang sao makuha.
Yeah.
We know makuha. It's like maybe like a group that caters. I know. Oh my god, like so snob.
Play for share or something. Sure, yeah, that would be helpful.
Yep, one will do. Can you?
19, my mom got into a car accident with my brother, and now she has like swells in her hip.
Oh, wow.
Sapa.
Sure you want to jump in? Here we go. Alright, I'm about to jump into the Adriatic Sea. Already?
My mom was alive, we're finding out. Well, it's spoiled, alam nila, right? It's
But
so hard.
kinain na yalo kinga.
But she does it, right?
Yeah. She still does it.
Some money from home. Thank you. Water. Making soda,
Let's go hard.
Kina, turn up, ain't gotta worry about your problems. Turn off your cellular, forget who calling you. Seki.
thank you. Oh yeah, the hood. Yeah.
That's not good. To the sun goes down. We was singing that last year. Now so much up here in the past year. Trying to bring the good vibes. Everybody go and grab a bottle. Full throttle. Nobody never know anything that we do. Cause we living our lives. You already know the moves. This is our party. We gon' turn it up. And if you got a little cup, then go and fill it up. And then we hit the dance floor. Hit the wall. Trying to have a good time with all the lyrics. You know I'm telling me go. That is straight. We're bringing all the flows. We're bringing all the this at the barbecue. Or when there's people in the car with you. We gon' bump it all day till the sun goes down. Singing loud, loud, loud. Like wow, wow, wow. Singing now. Fina, turn up, ain't gotta worry about your problems. Turn off your cellular, forget who calling you. Girl, it's Seki. Seki. Hella faded off the Henny pineapple juice. Drop the head, you know I got my dog, girl, it's all Seki. Seki. Put the phone down, there's no time to be wasted. Like things I love about what you make it. All night, we singing all night like oh nah nah. We gon' turn the whole city out, singing ooh nah nah. One day at a time, thank God for this life, cause I know you're stressed out on the weekdays, but you gotta let it all out on the weekends. Ooh, we be singing now. Ooh, ay, turning up out the Henny pineapple juice. Yeah, just drop the Eddie and you know we coming through. Fina, turn up, ain't gotta worry about your problems. Turn off your cellular, forget who calling you. Girl, it's Seki. Seki. Hella faded off the Henny pineapple juice. Drop the head, you know I got my dog, girl, it's all Seki. Seki. Fina, turn up, ain't gotta worry about your problems. Turn off your cellular, forget who calling you. Girl, it's Seki.
Oh, you like gas station going?
Yeah, man. That's what you call a pumpkin.
Well, 1950 though, hoe should gaan kijken. Oh, that's nice.
Is this where we're stopping for lunch?
Hey, look of verder wel hebben we daar niet.
That's cool.
My pants are falling off.
Welcome to Bosnia.
I believe we're in Bosnia. Oh, you had it.
50.
Ja, die moet ik ook. Want het bed is nu bijna 17 jaar in gebruik.
Oye, afkala ka ko kasi ya bang.
En omdat het zo lang is,
Can we get lunch?
het is niet koud, het is niet warm, het is zo lekker.
And then you have steaks.
Wow, look. What? Your iPhone has been hacked. Is there a meat and cheese platter? With fish and octopus. Okay. Cheers. Say Bosnia.
Oh my god. Like you'll have to get home.
Oh, good. I can put my gum.
I mean, no.
It's too funny.
So I paid past 4.5. TripAdvisor.
Falar a hora, mas.
Can't really judge off of it.
Oh, não. Mas eu tenho.
Here, when I get my octopus.
Você vai comer.
That looks pretty good
It
actually.
does look good. Looks like it would be good with butter.
Jag kommer med mig. Jag får lite meat med ju. Rồi quay củ đó không có không? Mà em mẹ.
That's good.
I remember when that happened because you had posted about it.
I was like,
It's like a serious surgery.
I
Like
couldn't believe
Yeah.
it. I'm like, Maddie, our second, is close in
yeah.
age with
Yeah.
her son, the one that
It's very
watched it.
colored up. Yeah, super.
That's what, like, was basically
Maybe Karuka is in party. That might be it. AC Hotel split. This is a Marriott hotel. Yeah, good thing we didn't stay here. But man, just I like your move.
Iron Bird.
Yeah.
Nga mga ngayon ko siya experience ako
Hey,
makangali
Cornaro, right there, right?
Yeah,
The
Cornaro.
sign.
Yeah.
Sao, KPT sao.
You remember I was saying that over here they hand
Well, there's
And
a
I'm
3
out
and
like
a
candy
4.
over here.
there's a few
There's the
fives on
F5
there.
ambassador.
Mano.
Ja, mga kapot.
Mano.
Welcome to Spit. Welcome video.
Do you mind just leaving the keys with
Thank you.
Dobrodošli u Split. Dobrodošli u Cornaro.
Baby, ate sa umba Pag-fu iwasuya ulang una Ulitang lang sa muunga Faatang nuuy naman na unga Tang siya o ilang una